Let's turn attention to this story now. The Mpumalanga Gospel Music Awards have officially launched their 12th annual edition with a star-studded nominees announcement at the Capitol Hotel in Mbombela. Now, the glamorous event brought together artists, industry leaders and sponsors and faith communities for a night of praise, celebration and unity. This year's awards promise to honor the best of Mpumalanga's gospel talent and continue uplifting the province's vibrant music scene.
Sitho wembasa zaseMpumalanga zomculo wokholo ukuchonga ngokusesikweni abo baza kuthi babe sethubeni lokuwongwa ngokugqwesa negalelo labo. Lo mnyhadala ubunembeko uphawule ukuqala kwesahluko esitsha nesinika umdla ekubhiyozeleni ukubalasela kwevangeli kweli phondo.
As we are celebrating 12 years this year, we have grown as a brand. Partnering with a brand like Soweto TV, obviously we are already breaking boundaries in Mpumalanga. So making sure we are taking our artist talent out there to platforms like this, it shows we are growing, we are a growing brand, and we have seen growth ever since we started Mpumalanga Gospel Music Awards.
Kuminyaka eli-12 uqhuba lo msitho sele udlale indima enkulu ekukhuthazeni nasekuxhaseni imvumi kumculo wokholo.
I always say to people, awards, they help you in PR. So after you've won an award, you must go and work. You see, let me tell you what happened. After I won awards, I went and recorded with Dot. Then we sold out, double sold out, over 8,000 in a 4,000 seater. This year I've recorded over Sean at Orlando Stadium. So use awards as a PR to progress your music. It's not in gospel we can't really compete because all of us have different gifts. But we use awards as a PR. That's why I say people, you use awards as a PR so people can know your music when you record. Because you don't want to record and music today I'm known because of awards.
Abo bachongiweyo nabasethubeni lokuphumelela kwezimbasa bavakalise umbulelo nochulumanco lokuba baqatshelwe ngegalelo labo.
I'm very excited. I'm humbled at the same time. We got eight nominations, 8 categories, and it just can only be God. And I'm Makuri Music. Stream our music right now. You'll see why we are on 8 categories.
This feels like a new day for me. It feels like a new birth for me. Well, 12 for me, I'm born on the 12th of April. So I'm looking at something great, something great on the 7th of December. It feels so great and I'm so honored to be nominated. I'm excited like this is the first time being nominated at Mgoma for the first time. The way I'm so excited, I'm looking forward to the 7th of December.
Inxalenye yosuku iquke ukubhengezwa kwemvumi eziza kube zitshila zitshintshisana ngeqonga kumnyhadala apho kuza kube kuwongwa aba baculi ngokusesikweni. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka, eMpumalanga.